Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to properly set up your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, switch on your phone and then go to the left side of your phone and insert SIM card. For that you go to insert SIM ejector tool here. This is SIM ejector tool. Just insert here and SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Then take out of SIM tray, just pull up this tray and it will come out, and keep your phone aside. And here you will insert, you can insert 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Okay, first 2 slots are for SIM cards and this one is for SD card, that is memory card. Here I insert 1 SIM card only. In this slot I insert, and then insert this tray into your phone here. Now after that click on start, and here for your review some agreements will be showing. Just read it and then you go to agree to all and click on agree. Now here you can set up using another device, that is a iPhone or iPad, Galaxy or Android device. If you have another device, from that device that setup will be coming up here. Otherwise you can set up newly. Here I am going to set up this phone newly and click on skip. Choose Wi-Fi network. If you have any network in your home, Wi-Fi or any other hotspot, just you can choose that for internet connection, or otherwise you can just skip this step. Click on skip. If you don't have any Wi-Fi, just click on skip and getting your phone ready. Just wait. It will take some time. Just you got to wait. Just wait. And here it will ask you to copy apps and data. Okay, you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts and more. Otherwise, if you don't want to copy apps data from another device, just you can use don't copy. It will checking info. Just wait. Now you can sign up any Google account here. Okay, if you don't want to sign up, and you can, if you wish to sign in with Google account later, yes, you can do it. Just click on skip. And here Google services terms and conditions are displayed. Just read all of them and then click on accept. If you want to protect your phone, you can set up face recognition, fingerprints, pin, password, pattern, etc. I would like to set a pattern. Just click on pattern, and here draw a pattern that you want to set. Click on continue, then draw the same pattern to verify, and click on confirm, and it will be setting up. Yes, getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Just wait. Please wait. Getting recommended apps. Click on next, and here suppose if you lose your phone, if you lost your phone, then to find out your phone, you can enter here your email ID or phone number for recovering your phone in case you lost it. Okay, so here I just type my phone number. Click on next. Here it is showing that it's invalid ID. That is Samsung account it needs. That phone number should have Samsung account, but I don't have, so I enter alternatively email ID. prince@gmail.com. For that, sign in with Google. Checking info. So here you go to enter your Gmail ID. Then click on next. Here you go to enter your password. I enter my password now. If you don't want to sign up with email ID here, just click on skip. I don't want as of now, and yes, click on skip, and click on agree, click on next, finish. You are all set up. Just finish. Click on agree, choose the language, SIM card detected is SIM2 Geo, and click on done. Click on continue. Select your age group. Optimizing apps. Yes. Click on finish. Click on finish, and yes, phone is set now. Your phone is ready to use, and you can use. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.